Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build sales strategies with Twitter, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Twitter account and navigate to your profile. Identify your target audience by analyzing demographics and interests. Conduct research to understand the needs and preferences of your audience. Set clear goals for your sales strategy, such as increasing leads or driving website traffic. Create a content calendar that includes promotional and engaging posts. Develop a mix of content types, including images, videos, and polls. Use Twitter analytics to monitor engagement and understand what resonates with your audience. Engage with followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. Leverage Twitter lists to categorize your followers and key industry players. Utilize hashtags relevant to your industry to increase visibility. Run Twitter polls to gather feedback and insights from your audience. Experiment with different posting times to find when your audience is most active. Promote exclusive offers or discounts specifically for your Twitter followers. Collaborate with influencers or brand advocates to reach a broader audience. Utilize Twitter ads to target specific demographics and enhance visibility. Track and measure the effectiveness of your sales strategies regularly. Adjust your approach based on data and feedback to optimize results. Stay updated on industry trends to keep your content relevant. Always be authentic and true to your brand voice. Continuously build relationships with your audience for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.